Hello guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to teach you how to make some orange juice. Okay, let's go. This is our
ingredients. Okay, first you got a bowl with sugar, and then the orange squash. Okay, first you want to grab the sugar, only one scoop, put it in the mug. Okay, and then you want to put the mug, and you want to put some little hot water. Okay, just a little, and then you need to stir it. Stir it. Okay, let's go.
Okay, guys.
You need to shake until the sugar is. You want to stir until all the sugar is dissolved. Okay, guys, and then you want to add the sugar, the orange squash. And then you want to add the orange squash. Okay, open it up and then put it. Okay, you put it. Okay, and then you want to, and then you need to stir it again. Okay, stir it. Want to stir it?
Oh, in my hand. I still didn't. Okay, now you have to do it.
Okay, and then after you done stir it, we wash our hands after this. Okay, and then you want to put some water. Let's go. Put some cold water until it's full. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, you need to shake it. Okay, just put it. Okay, guys, if you can see that. Okay.
Done.
Okay, and then you just put it in the, and then it's done. If you want it, okay, it's done. Let's see the final result. Okay, let's test it. The final result. Is it yummy?
Yes.
Okay, and that's all for this video. See you in another video.
Subscribe and like the like button.
Okay, and that's the final result. Okay, we're out.